Hi, welcome to the podcast today. This is Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. So yeah, today was fantastic. It was a great day today. I hope you had a good day today. I just wanted to do this video just to finish up. I had a lot of people that wanted me to finish up the series on attorney shopping. Like just people shopping for attorneys and trying to figure out ways to get the right kind of attorney for their situation. I've had a situation where I've had lots of situations where people come up to me and I actually have to clean up the mess that a lot of attorneys already, did with their clients. So I'm just putting this out there just to help people out. Okay, so shopping for an attorney, all right? Yeah, once in a while you're still gonna need a person like, an attorney like me. That's what we do in the Nobi Law group. Okay, I'll put it in the comments section. You guys are gonna see. That's what my law firm that's what we do. We actually take care of our clients and we fix problems. We are like we're solutionists. We find solutions and we get the clients the desired outcomes. Okay, so that's what it is. How do you get the right attorney for a particular situation that you have? And one of the things that you have to think about is you have to be able to ask the person a question. The main question is legal strategy. Ask the attorney, what is your legal strategy for this case? So usually the attorneys that are not prepared, they don't know what to say to that, because it's kind of like, you're asking them about a whole lot of stuff and they don't know what to say. So what I'm gonna do in this video is just like give you guys a definition of that legal strategy. It is the process by which the counsel for one party to a lawsuit intends to integrate their actions with anticipated events and reactions to achieve the overarching goal of the litigation. Okay, and the overarching goal of the litigation could be many things. It could be a verdict, damages, sentences. If you have an attorney that doesn't have a legal strategy, please fire him or her. That's what I'm saying. Fire that attorney. Get you a different attorney. And that's what a lot of people don't, they find it very difficult because, they're trying to figure it out. And it's like, no. Don't stress yourself out. You are the client. You're trying to pick a person that's going to get you the desired outcomes. If you have an attorney that doesn't understand this stuff, fire that person. Or at least consider firing that person and replacing that person with an actual legal gladiator. You need that. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah. You have to have an attorney that understands what's called situational awareness. An attorney that can actually read the room and figure out how to modify their whole legal strategy to fit into what's happening in the courtroom in order to get you the desired outcomes. If you have an attorney that doesn't understand all those stuff, please consider replacing that attorney. I am here to help people get great outcomes in their legal situations, okay? Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay? And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. You need an attorney that is proactive, not reactive. And like, I had a lot of people that wanted me to do this, and it's kind of like, I have to tell you guys, it doesn't matter where the person like went to school or whatever. They could have gone to, I don't know, Harvard, Yale, law school, whatever. I mean, I've done programs in this institutions. I'm talking about the practice of law, okay? When you are actually in the courtroom, what kind of outcome do you want to get? If you have an attorney that's not giving you that, consider replacing that person. It's okay. That's why you have guys like me that will actually clean up the mess and be your actual legal gladiators that will most likely get you the outcome that you deserve. All right? Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. All right. So I keep it real here. I keep it 100, and you have to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. Fire your attorney if they're not delivering. That's what I'm saying. When it comes to the verdict, damages, sentences, if they're not delivering, if they're underperforming, fire them, for crying out loud. Oh my gosh. Okay, some of you guys, you get emotionally attached to your attorneys, and then they just F up the whole situation. And then afterwards, maybe 2 years later or whatever, you start looking for people like me, legal gladiators, to fix the problem. Fire them now. You don't want them to make mistakes that are irreparable, okay? And that's what I want you to avoid. Irreparable mistakes. Do not give these people the opportunity to make these mistakes that are so irreparable that it will be almost impossible to be fixed, okay? So fire them now. The sooner, the better, when they do the stuff that I talk about, okay? If the attorney doesn't understand, doesn't have some kind of, it's called situational awareness. Situational awareness. They can't read the room. They don't know what's happening, and they're just there, and they're just being reactive, and they're just like, oh, whatever, I'm just going to do what the judge says. Fire them, because that attorney is not going to get you to the promised land. Okay, so just look at it that way. All right. I appreciate your time. I want what's best for you. It may seem a little harsh, but if you actually have an attorney right now, fire that person if they're not performing. And I'm just saying this from a friendly, vantage point, okay? This is Uncle Ralph, all right? I don't have a dog in the fight, but I'm trying to tell you, a lot of attorneys are literally effing up cases for a lot of people. I don't like that. So, reconsider your case. Think about it. Pray on it. Come up with a solution, okay? And one of the solutions that I'm just suggesting, friends, is look at people that can actually get you the desired outcomes, okay? And that's it. Have a fantastic weekend. Ralph's Law, where justice reigns. And I will see you soon. Peace.